York City bagel. Haley, where are we going?
Big kid.
I'm chopped liver, boys.
Haley, what'd you think of Wicked?
Loved it.
Baxter? Out of 10? Fire. Absolutely fire.
Okay.
Day 2. How we
Feeling revived after a full night's sleep.
Feeling good. Are you alright?
How we feeling, Bax?
Right. 10.5 miles Saturday morning, NYC, Central Park. Feel better.